Good evening, Mika. Are you hungry?
Yes, I'm very hungry.
Great. Let's go to a restaurant tonight.
That sounds nice.
Today, we will learn simple English for restaurants.
We will practice asking for a table, ordering food, and paying the bill.
Restaurant English is very useful.
Yes, I want to order smoothly.
Don't worry, we will practice slowly.
Okay, let's enjoy dinner and English.
What kind of food do you want tonight?
I want something warm and delicious.
How about Italian food?
That sounds good.
Let's check the restaurant first.
Do we need a reservation?
That is a useful phrase.
Do we need a reservation?
It means, should we book a table before going?
I see.
I'll call the restaurant. Hello, do you have a table for two tonight? At 7 o'clock, please. Thank you. See you then.
Did you get a table?
Yes, we have a table for two.
Great. Let's go.
Good evening. Welcome. Good evening. We have a reservation. Under what name? Under Ren. Thank you. A table for two?
Yes, a table for two.
Please follow me. Thank you.
This restaurant is beautiful.
Yes, the atmosphere is nice. Here is your table.
Thank you.
Can we sit by the window? Yes, of course.
That was smooth.
Yes. Can we sit by the window? Is very useful. Here are the menus.
Thank you.
Let's look at the menu.
There are many dishes.
Do you know what you want?
Not yet.
You can say, I need a little more time.
I need a little more time.
Perfect. Are you ready to order?
Not yet. We need a little more time.
Of course. Take your time.
That was easy.
Yes, it is polite and simple.
What do you recommend?
That is another useful phrase.
What do you recommend?
You can ask the waiter this anytime. Are you ready to order drinks? Yes, please.
Can I have iced tea?
Sure. I'll have sparkling water. 1 iced tea and 1 sparkling water. Yes, thank you.
Can I have means I want, right?
Yes, it is polite and natural.
Can I have iced tea?
I'll have sparkling water.
I like these phrases.
They are perfect for restaurants. Here are your drinks.
Thank you.
Thank you.
This pasta looks good.
It says spicy tomato pasta.
Is it spicy?
Good phrase.
Is it spicy?
You can ask before ordering.
I don't like food that is too spicy.
Then ask the waiter.
Excuse me, Is this spicy?
It is a little spicy.
Can you make it less spicy?
Yes, we can.
Thank you.
Great. That was very useful.
Can you make it less spicy?
Also, if you have an allergy, you can say this. I'm allergic to nuts.
I'm allergic to nuts.
Food allergy English is very important. Are you ready to order?
Yes. Can I have the tomato pasta?
Sure.
Please make it less spicy.
Of course. I'll have the grilled chicken. Would you like soup or salad? Salad, please. Anything else?
Can we have some bread?
Yes, of course. That's all for now. Thank you.
That's all for now is useful.
Yes. It tells the waiter you are finished ordering.
That's all for now.
Here is your pasta.
Thank you. Oh, Ren, this looks very spicy.
Maybe they forgot to make it less spicy.
What should I say?
Say it politely.
Excuse me, I asked for it less spicy.
I'm sorry about that.
Could you check it, please?
Of course. I'll check with the kitchen. Very good. You stayed calm.
I was nervous, but it worked.
In restaurants, polite English is important. I'm sorry. We will make a new one. Thank you very much. Nice. Problem solved. Here is the new pasta.
Thank you. This looks perfect.
My chicken looks good too.
Let's eat.
How is it?
It's delicious.
That is the easiest phrase.
It's delicious.
You can also say, it tastes great.
It tastes great.
Do you want more water?
Yes. How can I ask?
Can I have some more water?
Excuse me. Can I have some more water?
Sure.
Thank you.
Very natural. Would you like dessert?
The cake looks good.
Do you want to share one?
Yes. Let's share one.
We'll share one cheesecake, please. Of course.
Share means eat together, right?
Yes, it is useful at restaurants.
We'll share one.
Here is your cheesecake.
Thank you.
It looks nice.
I'm getting full.
If you cannot finish it, you can ask this. Can I get this to go?
Can I get this to go?
In some countries, this is very common.
That was delicious.
Yes. Are you ready to go?
Yes. How do we ask for the bill?
You can say, could we have the check, please?
Could we have the check, please?
Of course. In America, people often say, check.
In other places, bill is also common, right?
Yes. Can we have the bill, please? Also works. Here is the check. Thank you.
Can we pay by card?
Yes, you can. We'll pay by card. Thank you. Have a nice evening.
Thank you. You too.
Great job today. Let's review today's useful phrases.
Do we need a reservation?
We have a reservation.
A table for two, please.
Can we sit by the window?
I need a little more time.
What do you recommend?
Can I have iced tea?
Is it spicy?
Can you make it less spicy?
I'm allergic to nuts.
That's all for now.
Can I have some more water?
We'll share one.
Can I get this to go?
Could we have the check, please?
Can we pay by card?
Thank you. You too.
Today, we learned simple English for restaurants.
We practiced reservations, ordering, asking questions, and paying.
These phrases are useful in many restaurants.
Please try them when you eat out.
Thank you for studying with us.
See you in the next lesson.
Take care.
And enjoy your meal.